Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna jump right in it. Today I'm gonna be cutting a nice stack bob. So as you can see, I already got the front two sections sectioned off, and then I have the back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the twist cutting method. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do it right now. And what this is doing is like over directing the sides so that the sides will be longer, and it's gonna give me like a shape to start off with. So then I just cut straight across underneath my fingers, and as you can see, it gave me like a little guide. And what I'm gonna do next is basically just straighten up the line a little bit, even out the sides so it'll look nice and neat. So the little cheap trimmers I have make it so much easier to do a bob. It makes it so much easier to cut it, to layer it, all of that. So now I'm going to use my actual razor, and I'm just going to razor it. I don't know how to explain it um, better, I guess. But anyways, I'm just going to razor it, and I'm just looking. I just kind of got an eye for what I'm looking for, and I'm just going to razor it until I get it how I want it. See how nice the trimmers are working? Okay, so now I'm just going to use my titanium flat iron, and I'm just going to bump the hair. Um, Once I start to bump it, I'm going to start, seeing the layers that I added, and it's going to fall nice. Okay, so as I'm bumping the hair, as you can see, I'm curling everything going backwards. And in some spots, I am like defining the layers more and making them look a little better. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. As you can see, it's like really nice, and I'm like already so in love with it. Alright, y'all, this is how it turned out. Please, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. This is a wig that I will be selling. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Slay by Tamia to see more wigs. Please inbox me if you would like to purchase this wig, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.